Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you do, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications. That way you can get notified every time I post a new video. If you would like to see how I slayed this look, continue to keep on watching. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to be starting off with my Vertex Beauty Tape. This helps you get that sharp edge on your eyeshadow. Now I'm going to start with my Milk Hydrating Primer for my eyeshadow. Basically a concealer that smooths skin and locks down color to prevent creasing, fading, and smudging. I really do recommend this product. Now I'm going to start with my Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade G Money. I'm going to start off by using it on my brow bone and then working its way down to the crease. You want to make sure to make that it blends well.
Jungle.
Now I'm going to go in with the shade Crazy on my lid and my crease and make sure that I get it in there very good. And also you want to make sure that you blend it. As you can tell, that hydro grip helps the eyeshadow stick really good.
Audio Jungle.
I'm going back over my eyelid because I want it to be more darker. Just depending on how dark you want to put your eyeshadow on. Now I'm going to be removing the Vertex Beauty Tape. And as you can see, that sharp look that it gives my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Now I'm going to go in with my Born This Way foundation in the shade Caramel. Depending on your complexion and undertones, depends on what product you should use. For me, since I'm neutral tone, this works best for me. You just want to make sure to blend it really good into your skin. And what helps me, I like to wet my sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer in the shade Warm Beige. I like to apply it under my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and on my chin. And I'm going back in with the same beauty blender that I used for my foundation. Want to make sure to blend it in your skin. Now I'm going in with my Kylie translucent setting powder. I like to apply it under my eyes. On my forehead. On my chin. On my nose. And on my cheekbone. And with the same beauty blender, I'm going to be blending it in to my skin. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty in the shade Cocoa Naughty on my cheekbones, on my forehead, you want to make sure to push up towards your hairline. And now I'm going to be putting some on my nose. And I'm switching to my big brush to blend it out. Now I'm going back with this brush to add some more Cocoa Naughty on my nose. Now I'm going in with my Kylie Jenner palette for the inner corner of my eye. And the shade I'll be using is Glazed. Now I'm going to be going back with my Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade G Money, and I'm going to be putting some on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to be going in with my black eyeliner and putting some on my waterline. I'm going to be going in with my Sky High mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Fix-It Coconut, prep and prime my face. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty in the shade Afternoon Snack. I'm going to be applying the highlight on my cheekbone. On my upper lip and on my nose. Now I'm going to be using the BFF Alondra and Elsie in the shade Camel. This is the matte lipstick. It comes in a lip duo, and the other shade I'll be using is Juicy. It makes it glossy. Now I'm going to be applying my falsies, and these are Russian Volume 3D Faux Mink. Make sure I set them in place right. I just love how these lashes look. They're so pretty. To me, eyelashes is what makes the whole makeup look. Now I'm going in with my false eyelash fuses. This really helps your falsies and your real lashes stick together. Before, I never used to use these, and I can tell the big difference between when I did and how I use them now. Okay, here's the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe.